All right, thank you, Wes. The deadline to appeal property assessments in Jackson County is quickly approaching. As a voice for everyone, we continue to amplify the voices of business owners receiving record high increases.
And we are also sharing the voices of those working to provide a solution, but some are questioning the legality.
I thought it was a mistake, and I immediately called to find out it wasn't a mistake.
It is an issue we need to address, and I want to be a part of helping to address that.
While residential assessments were capped at 15%, that's not the case for businesses. Get this, in the West Bottoms, one owner says his assessment went up 600%.
If you do business in Jackson County, your rent just went up.
Tonight, we're bringing you team coverage on this issue, showing you the impacts it's having on small businesses and the legislative work being done to address it. First up, we begin our coverage in the West Bottoms.
KSHP 41 News reporter Lily O'Shea Becker heard the voice of one owner, the owner of Blip Roasters.
I'm reporter Lily O'Shea Becker at the Jackson County Courthouse, where the county legislature voted on 2 ordinances regarding commercial property assessments.
The legislature decided to hold off on considering an ordinance to cap commercial property assessments at 15% for a week. Another ordinance to extend the deadline for assessment appeals didn't pass. Owner of Blip Coffee Roasters Ian Davis was in favor of both. He's tired of sharp increases in tax assessments countywide.
They did it with the residential side in 2023 and 2024, and they're following that same path with the commercial side.
Davis said his coffee shop, along with the surrounding West Bottoms area, has seen improvements over the years. He said he understands that means taxes will increase. But he says his recent commercial property assessment increase was too sharp.
We're seeing a 626% increase from last year, and we're getting 6 months to pay it.
He said he'll have to pass the cost off to his customers, or even worse, close shop. County staff says this isn't a question of fairness.
This is a question about what does state law allow us to do, and it allows us to set it at fair market value, and so that's what we're doing.
Jackson County Chief of Staff Caleb Clifford said the ordinance does not follow state law, and legally there are questions about enforcing the measure. For Davis, pushing back the vote a week means more uncertainty.
I don't know who can run a business or manage a business when you don't know what your bills are going to be.
Reporting in Kansas City, Lily O'Shea Becker, KSHP 41 News.